Welcome to Let's Explain. My name is Devlu Michael. When popcorns pop, three things happen. They explode, produce a pop sound, and jump. In this video, I'm going to tell you why all these three things happen. Let's explain. First of all, why do popcorns burst open? Popcorn kernels contain around 14% water, and water changes to water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. This water is contained by the shells of the popcorn. As the popcorn is heated, the water inside evaporates. The water vapor formed, unlike the liquid water, tends to occupy the entire space inside the popcorn. This builds up pressure inside the popcorn. As heating continues, the pressure continues to increase until the shell of the popcorn kernel can no longer hold it. The kernel therefore cracks open. During this process, the starch inside the corn expands into white flakes. Now, why does the popcorn kernel jump? Previously, the kernel was said to jump because the air coming out of the kernel propels it in a rocket-like effect. But according to further research, the kernel is propelled into the air by a leg of expanding starch. This looks similar to an acrobat performing a somersault. Now, why that familiar pop sound is produced? As the water vapor leaves the shell of the popcorn, there is a sudden decrease in pressure. This causes the cavities inside the popcorn to vibrate, and this vibration produces the pop sound.